Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Harmony Cove development and how local communities will be affected by this development. Now, Harmony Cove is a massive development taking place in Trelawney. They are going to be building a hotel, a casino, a marina on 2,300 acres of land. It's going to be one of the largest developments to take place in Trelawney. So we're going to look at how this will benefit or affect the local communities in Trelawney. And the the development is going to cost over $1 billion US. So it's a massive development. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. As the Harmony Cove development is set to get underway, government is committed to ensuring that local communities are not just spectators but also active participants in the undertaking. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness gave the pledge while delivering the keynote address at the recent ribbon cutting ceremony for the project in Duncan, Trelawney. By integrating the voices of residents and stakeholders, Harmony Cove aims to set a new standard for inclusive and sustainable tourism development, he said. He contended that when our people have a say in the direction of the industry, there is a sense of ownership and pride that benefits all. This sense of ownership fosters a deep commitment to protecting their investments and the industry's future, creating a resilient and inclusive community that values stability and sustainability, the Prime Minister said. He added that by feeling truly invested in the success of tourism, Jamaicans will be motivated to preserve their natural resources, uphold their cultural heritage, and work collectively to ensure long-term prosperity for generations to come. Dr. Holness reiterated that the US $1 billion Harmony Cove development is for the people of Jamaica. This project is for the people, the vendors at Coronation Market, those in Duncan, Stewarttown, Wakefield, Clarkston. It's for all Jamaicans. And yes, the investors will profit because we believe that profit and public benefit are not mutually exclusive, he said. The Harmony Cove development is a large-scale tourism project that includes several world-class golf courses, a luxury spa, marina facilities, commercial developments, luxury hotels, private residences, and other amenities. It will also include a hotel, casino, convention and entertainment centers, restaurants, and retail assets. The project is part of Jamaica's broader efforts to boost tourism, create jobs, and stimulate economic growth in the region. While having faced various delays and negotiation, it remains a significant initiative aimed at transforming Trelawney into a major Caribbean tourism hub. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.